if you've been receiving this message on Instagram, which is annoying, I'll be teaching you some steps on basically how to try and get your account back, so keep tuned.
Hear those clicks in the knees. All right. Get the phone. Let's begin. Ditch the mess. It's actually not that messy, it's actually good for me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vincent, or Vince, however you would prefer to call me. And this is my first video. Didn't really want this to be my first video, to be fair. I would have preferred it to be a bit more happier. Title of the video, Instagram basically disabled my account. That's essentially what's happened. And I want to discuss my steps I've done so far, which can help you. I just need a disclaimer, so click off it if you want. My account's still not back. That's the reality of it. And the whole point of this video is to share my progress. And if you've had the same issue, you can follow the steps I've taken. I will do a follow-up video. So if you want to subscribe, in the event I get my account back, then hit the subscribe button, because you won't be able to follow my Instagram, not for now. I also have a Twitter account, Vincent J. Foster. I'll link it below, because that's actually going to be a key point in this video, with one of the things I've noticed where I've got a lot of feedback in regards to my account. Now, let me get a bit more comfy, a bit further back. Right, 3rd of November, Storytime with Vince. My account got, basically I got a message, an email saying my account had an unusual login. A few hours after that, the account actually got disabled with the message you would have seen at the start of the video. Now, with that, can't access the account. It's been 10 days now, and there's been not much progress. The steps I've taken so far is as follows. I filled out the forms. There's about 3 forms you can fill. The main one I've been doing is basically the one where you basically send off that you feel that it's a mistake that it's been disabled. You get an email back with a code. You have to take a photo of your face and the same hand in the photo which is using it. So you just take it like that, little snap, done. I've done that 3 times now, no reply back. And what's funny is that with the whole general thing is going, it's worked so hard. Now, the reason why I really want to get this account back is not just got memories on it, but I've worked so hard to get almost 10K over 5 years on this account. So a lot of hard work. One celebrity comment from that DJ who wears that little marshmallow hat. Yeah, it's a good Instagram. I like it. And I'm continuing to grow. I've been doing a few product placements as well with different companies. I actually had one, because I wear glasses and contacts, one emailed me saying they would want to work with me. And then the same week they were going to message me, gone. So that's why it's really important for me to get it back. So Twitter. I mentioned this on the start of the video. Twitter's been, I basically tweeted out saying it's been a week, no reply from at Instagram. Can anyone take a look? Something like that. And I used the hashtag disabled Instagram account. And I got a lot of 134 impressions, so not too bad. And the comments I got and some private messages on the side was, contact this person, we will be able to basically get your account back. And some of the private messages was for a certain amount of money, which I don't want to do. I want to do it the proper way and try and get it back the proper way. So we'll see how it goes. But it's amazing how many people have the same problem. One Instagram posts a photo of like the photo of the week, The first couple of comments I see now is my account's been blocked for 2 weeks, still no answer. And the general theme is a lot of accounts, they've been closed for about a week, 2 weeks before they get a response. Some people are lucky and they get it done within 48 hours. Not this guy. But I want to try and basically share my progress. My tips I would give you: fill out the forms. Fill out the forms, maybe not on a daily basis, but every few days. I heard one case where they didn't even, this one person didn't even get an email from Instagram. They just logged in and it was back. Some people get an email saying it's been reactivated, but it's not working. So I would say just send the emails, do the code. I think that's the most important one, where they ask you to take a photo of your face. Of course, you can submit a different sort of ID on a different form, which I've also done. And just follow the procedures and steps. I'm on day 10, so in 4 days time, it'll be, I think, around the 2 week stage. So what I will do is I will submit a smaller video to let you know whether it has been reactivated or not. And basically, this is the steps I've done so far. So this is why I wanted to share it with you. And if you have the same issue I'm having, comment below. If you've got any tips, also comment below as well, because I would like to know what you have done, if you have been successful in getting the account back. So yeah, Instagram, plug it in at Vincent J. Foster. If you want to hit me up on there, tell me as well. I would mention, like I said, Instagram, just don't bother following because you can't. Hit the subscribe button on YouTube. Try to get a 10k on this, why not? But I guess it's a bit more difficult to get 10,000 on this channel, or just on a YouTube channel in general. For an updated progress to my Instagram, whether I will be waiting. You know what, I heard one story where someone waited like 6 months to get it back. I really hope I do not wait 6 months. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the day. Thank you for taking the time to actually watch this video. Stay safe and goodbye.